Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Bob and Dr. Casen DeMaria with our friend, the skull. What we want to talk to you about today is your posture. I'm going to ask you a trick question. You ready? Does gravity ever take a vacation? It does not. It's continually and relentlessly pushing down on top of you. The bowling ball is an example of your head. The average head weighs between 10 and 12 pounds. So if they're sitting at their desk, right, Dr. Casen, what's going to happen is that your head is going to be either working with you posturally or against you. So if your head's in a forward position, gravity's not working with you, it's working against you. You want to have your bowling ball, your head right above your shoulders. And when you're working, Dr. Casen's going to give you a few little tips of what you can do while you're working, but I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. When you're driving your vehicle, if you're used to your head being in a forward position, why don't you just gently start pushing your head back against the headrest so you can get used to a normal and create muscle memory. So what do you think, Dr. Casen?
That's really good. And what's really interesting with a lot of people right now, if you're working at home, you are slouching and you're actually in this forward position like this, and then you come into our office and we do pictures of you, and then you're like, how come I'm like that? Well, you have to think slips, falls, but this sitting posture, and we've had a lot of kids in our office, they're doing their schoolwork, they're playing their video games, and they're spending a lot of time on their devices, actually slouching in their bed or on their belly, and this can really impact our spinal health. And the reason why is these nerves in your neck go to your brain, your heart, and your lungs. So you could have a lower even oxygen content in your body because of this forward posture. So a really simple thing is right now as you're watching us, look around in your surroundings, look at your computer stand. Are you able to have maybe a standing desk? And then also we have some people that are really sitting in some really kind of junky chairs, Dr. Bob. Maybe they're not really supporting them. Maybe they're bar stools on their dining room table.
On the dining room table, we hear that a lot.
And that can really put a demand on your body. So number one, figure out what is the best overall setup for you, so that way you can be in a relaxed position and your computer can be right in front of you. You really want to minimize going in this forward position. Just like you were saying, Dr. Bob, bringing the shoulders back and being upright, that's really key, especially for all of our students. Book stands are also a great tool. I love having a good sturdy book stand. You can put your books, your devices, your laptops even. I've had people that have stood books up to actually help them. So it can be really cost effective to see what else is going on at home too with your posture.
You know, it's also interesting, take a break. So when you're working, I had people say, I'm working 8 or 10 hours. I had a gentleman the other day said, Dr. Bob, my head is down all day. I don't know what to do. I love coming in to get an adjustment. Take a break. Get a large ball, lay backwards on the ball. Just start working and pulling your body backwards. Remember, you want gravity working with you, not against you. This is Dr. Bob and Dr. Casen DeMaria with the skull.
Bye-bye.